In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update skills on LinkedIn. First off, let's dive into accessing your LinkedIn account, which is the starting point for making any updates to your profile. Navigate your way to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you're presented with two simple options to sign in. You can either click Sign in with Google for a quick entry if your accounts are linked, or continue with your existing LinkedIn account credentials. Occasionally, LinkedIn employs an additional layer of security in the form of a CAPTCHA, so don't be surprised if you're prompted to complete one. Once you've successfully signed in, locate your profile photo positioned at the top right corner of the homepage. This picture serves as a gateway to your personal LinkedIn dashboard and settings. A simple click on your profile photo reveals a drop-down menu with various options. Within this drop-down, you'll want to find and click on View Profile. This action transitions you away from the generic LinkedIn feed and into your personal profile space, where all your professional information is displayed. Scanning through your profile, you'll eventually find the skill section as you scroll down. This part of your profile is crucial for reflecting your professional expertise and areas of proficiency. Look closely, and you'll spot an edit icon nearby. This tiny pencil icon is your tool for modification. Clicking on the edit icon unveils the list of skills you've previously added to your profile. Here, you're free to select any skill you wish to update, whether you're refining the description of an existing skill, removing outdated ones, or adding new skills acquired. This is your canvas for customization. Once you've made the necessary changes to your skills, be it tweaking a skill you already have, adding a new one, or deleting those that no longer apply, it's time to solidify those updates. How? By clicking on Save. This button acts as a seal, ensuring your profile accurately reflects your current professional abilities and expertise. Throughout this process, remember that your LinkedIn profile skill section is more than just a list. It's a representation of your professional journey and growth. The skills you showcase here play a significant role in how potential employers or connections perceive your capabilities and expertise. So take your time to review and update this section regularly, ensuring it's both accurate and comprehensive. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through updating your skills on LinkedIn. This small but significant update to your profile can make a big difference in how you're viewed professionally. Keep your skills fresh and don't hesitate to showcase new ones as you acquire them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more helpful guides on navigating the professional online world.